Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah. Pyrex.
This day 2. I know I said I was gonna go ahead and order some dirt. All last night I was saying I'm not gonna let this slab whoop me like that. I'm not gonna give up that easy. So I decided to give it another shot. I done put some oil in my jackhammer, so good and full. Got my coffee early in the morning. So what we gonna do, we're gonna try that. Well, we're gonna try to get at it again. I was thinking all last night of a game plan. I put the other bit on. So yesterday I was using that pointed bit, but I put this bit back on. And we're just gonna give it another shot. Let's cross our fingers. All right, let me show you what I did. I think I got the recipe. I just went down along here, about 3 inches apart. Just kept going back and forth. I was gonna try to break it that way, but it actually cracked on its own this way. See, I'd rather do it like this, sort of be bigger pieces, and all them little small pieces. Then it might be a lot faster like this, but it still work. A lot of work. I just wanted to cut y'all back on, show you what I did so far today. Looks like I had a productive day compared to yesterday, because I done did all this here compared to what I did yesterday, that little corner. So I think we're good to go. Back on track for us to shop here. It's just gonna take me a while. I don't mind working, so ain't gonna be no problem. All right, everybody, this is day 3 of the concrete demolition task. I've been thinking about it all night. I've been eager to get back out here to get started. So I'm gonna take you down and I'm gonna show you the plan of attack today. This old US Extreme Power is one hell of a tool. Can't beat it for the price. But last night I was trying to move these, well, I did move these out the way, but here I couldn't get them out because they kind of wedged in between the other ones. That's what I'm trying to keep from happening. So I'm gonna move these with the jackhammer. Then I have room to bust this up and push it back that way so it won't get wedged. So once I move that, then I probably start on this run here all the way down, or I might even just start over here, come this way. Either way, we're gonna try to get something done. That taken care of, now I can get started. We're here to the end of day 3. Think me and Rod had a productive day. What y'all think? We got all this done here. We getting it. Slowly but surely. Taking it one day at a time. I'll cut y'all back on in the morning. Alright guys, it's day 4 for the demolition on the concrete slab. Let's go back here. I'm gonna show you what I got planned for today. See, yesterday me and Raw, we had knocked this area here out. I went ahead and moved the blocks because I wasn't for sure what I was gonna do today. If I was gonna do this side or this side. Thinking about doing this side, and then the next day jump back on this side. But it rained last night, but that ain't gonna stop me. Guess we'll get started right here. See what we can get done today. Let me show you what I got. So I done did all this. I started with this one here. I just haven't broke it up in pieces yet. But each day gets easier and easier. I'm learning different techniques as I go. Well, I'm about to call it a day. This is what I got done. All this here. I was by myself today. Raw had a few things he had to handle, so I started fresh in the morning. But I think I got a lot done by myself. What y'all think? That's all we got left. I'll cut y'all back on in the morning. All right, y'all. This is day 5. I'm starting late, so I don't plan on getting too much done. I just wanted to get some done. The more I get done, the less I have to do. So we're gonna get started probably on that back side and go from there. Here's the end of day 5. I probably worked about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at the most. But I got from here, all this here done. Only thing left is this. I should be able to knock this out in one more day. Here's day 6 of the breaking. I know I can get it done today with no problem. But I kind of started a little late, but I don't have much left compared to what I had. Guess we'll go ahead and get started. Well, here we go. I finally finished up with all the demolition of the concrete. Took me 6 days, but I got it done. It wasn't looking so bright when I first started, but I stayed with it. Like I said before, I'm not afraid to work. Now, trying to figure out how I'm gonna get it all up out of here. But I have all night to think about that, because I'm not gonna start trying to move it until in the morning.
The next day.
Well, this is what I came up with. My decision. I was going back and forth before I was hauling everything up out of here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. See, I got the truck bagged up right there. I'm gonna start hauling all these pieces up out of here. I was gonna try to just move them to the side, use them later on down the line, but they'll probably just be in the way. So I think it'll be best if I just haul them up out of here. Yesterday, we were just moving everything up out the area, and y'all could see we got over half of it done. So today should be the end of it. We should be able to get everything out today. All right, y'all look who showed up.
Hey man, what's up man? Thanksgiving was great, man. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving too. Remember, Raw Customs, 5959, that S is a Z now.
And y'all heard he said Thanksgiving, so y'all might not see this video to New Year's, so y'all know how that is.
Hey look, I hope y'all on my channel. You gonna see it tomorrow.
See, that's why y'all need to go check Raw out.
Cause Raw don't play.
Y'all to get the footage way before I shoot it out. We got a little help over there. I don't think she know what she doing though.
Kenny, y'all.
She helped me yesterday.
Kenny's strong. Look, she got dirt on her pants. I think she just rubbed that on her.
All right, we almost got it, but this gonna be the 5th load. We did 4 loads yesterday. I think we're gonna get it. We probably can get it in maybe 2 more loads, but we might get it in 1. But the truck was kind of loaded down yesterday, so I think we might get it in 1 more load, maybe 2 at the most. All right, y'all, this is the 5th load. Y'all see how low we've been riding, but we've been getting it. This the point I've been waiting on, shooting for. This the last piece of concrete. Everything busted and up. Let me show you the load. This the 6th load. Not quite a full load, and the 6th day. So never give up. Anything you want to do, you can do it. You just gotta have patience and the will to do it. Y'all stay tuned for the next video.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from